Oh no, Pan! Our bananas have gone rotten. What should we do? Oh, of course, we don't have to throw them out. We can make banana bread. The first thing we're going to need are bananas. The riper, the better. 2 cups all-purpose white flour. 3/4 cup sugar. 1/2 cup of melted butter. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, some fresh whole nutmeg. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set your oven to 325 degrees. Some recipes say to go for 350, but I am always worried about over baking my banana bread, so I like to put it at 325 to give it a nice slow, even bake. We are then going to combine our egg and our melted butter in the mixture. So some recipes say to use 1 stick of butter, some say to use 2. Sometimes I like to split the difference and use 1.5. The more butter you use, the more savory and sweet your banana bread is going to be. The less butter you use, it's going to be a little more dry. I like to err on the side of sweet and dessert-like and use a little more butter, so about 1.5 sticks is what I'd recommend. In the next step, you are going to combine all of your dry ingredients into your mixture. And we're going to let it mix until it forms a cake-like batter. I'm also going to put in a little bit of vanilla for extra flavor. Now I'm going to add my very ripe bananas to this mixture. You can put them in at the very beginning or you can save them to the end. It's up to you. If you notice that your batter is a little dry and it's not really forming that cake-like batter consistency, add a little more butter. Or in worst case scenario, you can add an extra egg. It doesn't really matter the amount of ingredients, as we're really looking for that cake-like batter, wet consistency. So my batter is looking good. It has reached the nice cake batter-like consistency. So now for my final step, you can kind of personalize your banana bread. I like fresh nutmeg in my banana bread. And for whatever reason, the fresh whole nutmeg, it just tastes a little better than the stuff in the can. If all you can find is the stuff in the jars, that's fine too. You can also grind fresh cinnamon as well, or you can use dried fruit or even chocolate. So then you're going to pour your mixture into a greased bread pan and just take a spatula and kind of smooth the mixture over. Then place it into the oven for 50 minutes to an hour. Ta-da! You like banana bread, Pan? I like banana bread. Know why? Because sometimes you drive me bananas too. But when you're driving me bananas, I just eat some banana bread and I'm happier. Yes, that is raw banana dough on my neck. Don't eat too much or else you'll get salmonella. Then we go to the vet and it's no good. Then you can't have banana bread if you have salmonella because you throw it up. Okay, so my banana bread is done. If I stick a toothpick into the center of it, it comes out clean. So truth be told, I put mine in for 50 minutes and when I took it out, the toothpick was a little mushy on the end. So I put it back in for another 10 minutes and it was perfect. And it is also a nice golden brown and popped right out of the pan. So now we have banana bread. We have banana bread. We did it, Pan. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for watching. If you want more cooking videos and lifestyle tips, please like, review, and subscribe to J&M Productions.